Satisfy Squish, and welcome to another video. In this video, this is Magnet Balls Part 4. Yes, you guys didn't think there would be a Part 4, did you? No, I didn't think it either, until I got a suggestion today that I should do another Magnet Balls about teaching you guys how to separate them. Now, in the last video, I ended the video with me mixing them all up. And yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to undo that. So I have the Magnet Balls lid right here, because that would come pretty handy. Yeah, so I'm going to take a smaller chunk of the bigger chunk. I'm going to put the bigger chunk aside. And I'm going to make the smaller chunk. I'm going to make this chunk, or the smaller chunk, whatever you want to call it, into a line, like this. And so what I'm going to do is basically just I'm making certain piles. So I've decided I'm going to put orange on the outside, yellow on the outside, green on the inside, red on the inside, blue on the inside, and purple on the end. So I'm going to quickly do that, and when I'm about here, I'm going to stop. Alright, so I've separated almost all of them out. I just have a little bit more to go, and as you can see, I'm just stacking the purple on the end, because I know there's more space over here, but I feel that it is more efficient to just stack them on the end. And normally, when I only mix two colors, I usually stack each different color on either end, so it's more convenient. So I'm just piling them on. Green is getting very tall. And, oh, sadness. Okay. It's falling. It's okay though, because I don't really care, because it's a magnet. Okay, so as I'm nearing the end of this section, I am just okay, I'm very close to the end. And, oh, that wasn't in frame. Oh, no. Okay. So now I have all of my different thingamabobbers. Ready? Is that the word? Thingamabobbers? I don't know. Whatever. I don't really care. So, I'm going to take each color and put it into a line if it's not already. And I'm going to attach them like I did in another one of my videos. And I'm going to attach them. If you know me, I do everything in rainbow because I love rainbow. Okay. And so I'm going to attach them all, and I'm going to coil them up, because it's kind of a space saver, you know? So I'm just coiling the little magnetic balls of that section, because I want to. Okay, there's my little coil. Yeah, I'm going to put that aside. So now it's easier to control them. Now I'm going to take a smaller chunk of the bigger chunk, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to do that in fastness, and yeah. So I finished sorting all of them, and I hope it wasn't too boring during when I sped it up. I hope it wasn't, because I don't know, personally I think time lapse is kind of fun, like, to watch too. But yeah, so I'm doing the final coil. Oh no, not again. I can't do this again. It was not that big of a deal. I'm just way too overdramatic. Not too overdramatic. No, I'm very dramatic. But I feel like it's a good trait to have sometimes. Being dramatic can help you in life, I guess. I don't know if it can or not. I'm just saying that because I want to. So, final coil, let's go. We're doing this thing. There's like this weird dip in it. Huh. Or, I don't know if it's this weird dip or this weird point. I kind of like it though. Like, look, it kind of just, like, here. Like it got bigger, like I don't know what it's called, a megaphone? Yeah, megaphone. Okay, so I'm taking apart these. Yes, I know. It's sad. Taking apart a creation is sad. Now I'm just gonna display each on the lid of the magnetic balls, and I'm going to do the same with all of them, because why not? Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't know if I told you guys this in the last video, but so I was thinking about video ideas, and I was like, so I've been wanting to do some like magicness. Oh, by the way, this is red. Oh, that didn't make sense. I will explain. So I watched some of my previous videos, and I noticed that, oh my, that on the camera, you can't really tell what colors are what. So, for future reference, I usually have them in rainbow order, and this time I messed up. I did purple, then blue. Oh no, it's the end of the world. Okay. But yeah. So just to let you guys know. And now my things are separated into different colors. Finally. It took a really long time to make this video. Like, no joke, a while. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, so now I have all my colors separated. I mean, they are in a chain, but they are separated, and you know, that was the point of today's video. So anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. It was kind of helpful to me, actually. I don't know how that's possible, but it was. And anyway, guys, I hope you subscribe and leave a comment down below and like and hit the little bell, because that little tiny thing, it tells you whenever one of my videos comes out, so you never miss one. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Thank you.